This is the Apple AirPods Pro 3, and Apple says these are the most immersive, intelligent earbuds they've ever made. Strong claim, right? But after using them daily for workouts, Zoom calls, flights, and just zoning out with music, I realized something interesting. Apple didn't just upgrade the sound, they upgraded how these fit into your life. The big question is, are these actually worth your hard-earned cash, or is Apple just doing Apple things again? Let's talk about it. Apple AirPods Pro 3 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? These are the Apple AirPods Pro 3, Apple's latest flagship true wireless earbuds, released in 2025 and aimed squarely at people who live inside the Apple ecosystem. Think iPhone users, Apple Watch wearers, MacBook multitaskers. Basically, if you're deep into Apple land, these are designed for you. The big selling points? Improved active noise cancellation, better sound tuning, smarter adaptive audio, and tighter integration with iOS than ever before. At around $249, these are premium earbuds competing directly with Sony, Bose, and Sennheiser, but Apple's betting that convenience and polish will win you over. Apple AirPods Pro 3 Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how do these actually perform day to day? Honestly, really well. I use the AirPods Pro 3 for everything: commuting, working out, long phone calls, and even a cross-country flight. The first thing you notice is how fast and seamless everything feels. You open the case and boom, they're connected. No lag, no fuss, no second-guessing Bluetooth. Sound-wise, Apple has clearly refined its tuning. Bass is tighter and more controlled, mids are clean, and vocals, especially podcasts and YouTube voices, sound natural and upfront. They don't overpower you with bass like some Sony earbuds, but they're incredibly balanced, which makes them easy to listen to for hours. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First up, active noise cancellation. According to sound guides and other expert reviewers, this is some of the best ANC you can get in true wireless earbuds. In real life, it means airplane engine hums fade into the background, office chatter disappears, and city noise becomes way less stressful. It's not just quiet, it's calm. Next, adaptive audio and transparency mode. This is one of those features you don't think you need until you use it. The AirPods automatically blend noise cancellation and transparency based on your surroundings. So if someone starts talking to you, the earbuds subtly let voices in. No button pressing, no awkward pause, it just feels smart. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking is also here, and yes, it's still awesome. Watching movies or shows on an iPad feels more immersive, like sound is actually anchored to the screen. It's not a gimmick, it genuinely enhances media consumption. Design and build. Design-wise, Apple didn't reinvent the wheel, and honestly, that's fine. The AirPods Pro 3 look familiar but feel more refined. The earbuds are lightweight, well-balanced, and comfortable enough to wear for hours without ear fatigue. The new ear tips offer a better seal, which helps both sound quality and noise cancellation. The case still feels premium, with a smooth matte finish, and it slips easily into a pocket. It's not flashy, but it's practical, and very Apple. Battery life. Battery life is solid, though not class-leading. You're getting around 6 hours with ANC on, and closer to 30 hours total with the charging case. In real life, that means you can go several days without thinking about charging. And thanks to fast charging, just a few minutes in the case gives you enough juice for a commute or workout. It's not revolutionary, but it's reliable, which honestly matters more. Pros. Excellent active noise cancellation. Seamless Apple ecosystem integration. Smart features like adaptive audio and spatial audio. Cons. Expensive compared to competitors. Battery life is good, not amazing. Final verdict. So, who are the AirPods Pro 3 actually for, and are they worth it? Look, if you're an iPhone user who values convenience, comfort, and reliability, these are an absolute no-brainer. They don't just sound good, they fit into your life effortlessly. Everything from pairing to switching devices feels frictionless, and that's something competitors still struggle with. However, if you're on Android or you're purely chasing the biggest bass or longest battery life, you might be better off with Sony or Bose. Those brands offer incredible sound, but they don't have Apple's ecosystem magic.